Hello. How's everybody doing today? Make sure you guys are watching Sing, SING. I gave you guys a full alert this morning, and you guys have been just lighting up the chat rooms talking about this one. And I know you're making money, and you're probably hitting that air horn right now. Right, Angel? You gotta be making money today, Angel. I've talked to you guys before about the short trading, and that's what today's show's about. But I gotta start with bringing you guys some winners. Because remember, all I do is bring you winners. And today I brought you SING as a full alert first thing in the morning. And I want you guys to put SING on full alert right now because they're hot. They're on fire. And what do we do when we find hot stocks, people? What do? We like to celebrate, don't we? Do we like to celebrate? Hell yeah, we like to celebrate. Where are we at right now? I'm having a great day. How about you guys? That's how we like to celebrate our winners. SING, people. Some of you guys have been talking to me about this since it was in the sub pennies. Today it's hitting 12 cents. That's some big money if you guys got in, but I don't believe it's too late to get in. I still think there's more opportunity. Now, do I want to buy the stock when it's up 49%? Hell no! And I'm going to show you guys why, because those short traders, they get a little meat on that bone, and trust me, they're going to strip that bone bare. So the key is to put these companies on your watch list, put them on your radar. Make sure you are watching them. This is what I've been trying to explain to you guys. You need to learn how to watch these stocks because they go up and then they come back down and then they go up again. And those guys at the top there, you don't see them, but they're called short traders. And what they try to do is they try to find a little bit of meat on that bone. So when they see a stock go up for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, usually by that 8th day, you can expect they're going to take that meat off that bone. And you can take a look at CNBX today. You could take a look at OWCP today as two perfect examples as how the short traders, after you've had a run, they're just waiting. They're just waiting in those bushes like a sniper. And when they find that opportunity, they're going to seize it 100% of the time, people. So don't think that these stocks are going to go to the moon and beyond. Because like I've told you, for everyone that does, 99.9% of them will go down. And there's a reason for it. And that's because they're short traders in the marketplace and they exist, people. They exist. So you can't assume that when a stock goes up 50% like Sing, not that I don't like the company, I love the company, but this is a company that's come from the underworld and now they're at 12 cents. So you have to be very careful. These types of opportunities are extremely risky. Now, I'm not trying to say that this isn't a good company. I think this has the potential to be a great company. I'm actually going to be bringing the CEO, hopefully, on the show soon. And we're in talks with him. But as you can imagine, when these stocks go up as quickly as SING has, a lot of these CEOs won't even find the time for little guys like me and little guys like you because they get really, really busy raising money selling their stock. So you guys have to understand the game that's going on here. So when these guys bring these stocks up from the underworld and it trades 24 million shares at 12 cents, you guys have to understand when millions of dollars are going through a penny stock, a company that doesn't really have much revenue in the bank whatsoever, but is now starting to raise capital because their stock is liquid. So funders want to invest in medical marijuana deals and they're going to go and look for these undervalued opportunities. And they're going to give millions of dollars to these small companies. And hopefully these small companies can utilize those proceeds and put it to good use and make sure that they build their business. But you have to understand that when you're investing in these types of companies, you're taking a huge amount of risk. These are not licensed producers like some of the companies that I've talked to you guys about. The 4 major licensed producers right now in Canada are WEED, Canopy Growth Corp, ACB, Aurora Cannabis, APH, and OGI. So those are the 4 major licensed producers, guys. Everybody else, they're not licensed. So you're taking a major, major risk when you're putting your money into these types of situations. Now, those are the Canadian symbols. If you guys want the US symbols are TWMJF, APHQF, ACBFF, and OGRMF. Those are my Fab 4 and 4 positions that I will always be taking a position in. And yeah, I'll go in and out of these securities, but those are 4 deals that I'm always going to be buying all the time. Those are licensed producers from Health Canada that have the green light to go green and go big. Everybody else, all these other small companies, not that they're not good companies, obviously it's at 12 cents. I'd rather buy a stock at 12 cents than at $2 or $12. Like weed is that. But the reality is, there's a reason why these companies are at 12 cents. They're not as good as a $12 company. But when you see a company like CNBX go to the moon, and I told you guys, be careful. Take your profits and run, because what happens? Let's show you guys exactly what happens. CNBX, people. Oh, it's a sad day. What do we do when we have these types of situations, guys? What do we do? You know, it was expected, wasn't it? Did you guys expect this to just continue to go to the moon and beyond? Or did you guys think that it was going to have some resistance at some point? Because short traders exist, people, and that's why I've told you guys, take your profits and run. This is a stock that was at $1 a week ago. It hit, look at this chart. It's a little disgusting, okay? It goes up to over $7. And just imagine the short traders, like vultures, just waiting, hawking, eyeing this thing, looking to take your money. Understand what's happening here, people. This is a war. I've told you guys about this war. Good versus evil. Optimistic versus pessimistic. When this company goes from $1 to $7, the short traders don't think it's worth $7, people. So what do? They let you think, oh, it's going up even more today. It's another free ride, guys. Free rides every day. It's not the way it works, people. This is a game, yeah, but it's a game that the short traders want to win. So when they get that optimistic and then they short it down and then they get that optimistic again, what do you think they do? They crush it because they have unlimited buying and selling power. And then they try to bring it up and then they crush it some more. And they bring it up and then they crush it some more. And now this is all of the people that didn't listen to Rich on Rich TV Live selling, panicking. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Abandon ship, abandon ship. This is why I tell you guys, take your profits and run, people. Take your profits and run. I'm not just saying it because I don't have experience. Did you guys take your profits and run? I've never seen profits I didn't like. I don't care if it's $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, $1 million, $10 million. I have never seen profits I did not like. Now, I'm not telling you that this won't go back to $7. It might. It might go back to $7 today. I don't have a crystal ball, people. All I can do is tell you based on my experience that I know these stocks are going to go up and I know they're going to go down. I don't know how high they're going to go up And I don't know how high they're going to go down. But based on different tools that are at our disposal, as you see, this is starting to come back up now. It's momentum, people. Look, it's going to hit $4. Watch. This is why I love level 2. And I tell you guys to get your popcorn ready, because this is a show. This is the greatest show on earth. I love this show. But it's a lot more fun when you are in a stock and it's going up and you're making money. When it starts going down, it doesn't become so much fun. So that's why you need to learn to take your money and run. Now, isn't that funny that I just told you guys it's going to $4? And look, it's at $4. This is why you guys need level 2. So you guys can understand how to see the way the momentum is going and the way it's building. You know, I knew this was going to $4. Look, it's going to $4.05 now. Watch. It's going to go to $4.05. People are watching, guys. The New York is watching. The shorters are watching. The longers are watching. Oh, it's at 405, people. How did Rich know? How did I know, guys? Am I psychic? Look, it's going to 410 now. It's going to 410 right now. Here we go. 408 by 410. Oh, 408. Oh, 410. Boom, 410, guys. Look at that. So while we've been talking, this stock has started to climb back up here, as you can see, from about 390 to 411 right now currently. So there's a war going on in the markets, people, and you need to learn how to play the game like a sniper, like a ninja that learns how to buy low and sell high, and learns how to understand buying pressure, and learns how to understand selling pressure, and learns how to understand that these are trends and things are going to go up and they're going to go down. But you need to learn how to take your profits and run. And I hope you guys are taking your profits and run. Because if you don't, you're going to get hurt. Let's take a look at OWCP. Now, this is an interesting one. A company that I've been talking to you guys about for 2 days straight that's been absolutely on fire. And obviously it went up over 100% yesterday. So what did you guys expect today? Did you guys think this was going to continue? Let me explain to you guys the game that's happening here, because the game is a very, very serious game, and it can punish you. You can actually get punished. And when you get punished, it is not a nice feeling. It's actually a horrible feeling. And I've been punished before, chasing stocks. That's why now I don't chase stocks, people. I don't chase them. I don't care to, and I don't want to. Okay? I want to teach you guys how to trade like a pro. Understand what these guys are doing, people. Look at the game that they're playing on you. They take it up. It comes down. They take it up even more. And we're all thinking, this is going to the moon. Let's jump. Let's jump and buy it. Let's buy it. Let's buy it. Let's buy it. Let's buy it. And what are the short traders doing? The hawks? They're just sitting there waiting for all the newbie traders, the 98% that loses money. And that's why I tell you to take your money and run, because they see that and then they get up there, right there, and they say, all right, boys, it's time. Oh, yeah, it's time. Boom, they take it down, and then all the optimistic, oh yeah, it's going back up, let's buy some more. Try to get it up, and then they take it down again. Oh, it's gone down, let me get some more. And then it goes higher, it's going higher. And, all right, boys, let's get some more. Down. Oh, you know what? It's gone down. Let's buy some more. No, guys, don't buy some more. It goes up. It's going up. It's going up. Higher. Higher. No. It's coming crashing down. And now all the optimistic people again are, oh, you know what? It's still worth $1.64. Maybe I should take it up now. I'm not touching it, people. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. Because once the shorters get their hands on it, who knows how low it's going to go. I mean, it was at 50 cents just a couple days ago. So just realize that, okay? Realize what you're dealing with here, people. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to go back up. It totally might. It's come all the way down. I hope it does go back up. But this is why I'm explaining to you guys, with stocks that make big moves, explosive moves, you need to learn how to take your profits and run. If you see that your account is in the green, take it. If you really like the company and it continues to go up every single day, then buy it again. But remember, if you're going to buy it again, every time it goes up another day, those shorters are like hawks and they're watching. They're just waiting like snipers, people, like ninjas, just waiting for their opportunity to pounce and attack. And they exist. And don't think they don't exist. And don't think that you're going to be the lucky one. Because that's exactly what they're looking for. People like you, people like me, that don't know their strategy, their plan, their hidden agenda. And when you put your hard-earned money into that stock, they're going to take it from you like you didn't even put it in. So you need to be disciplined. You need to learn how to take your 10%, 20%, 30% profits and run. And learn to fight for another day. Because if you do like this stock and you think it's worth $1.69 right now would maybe be a good time to buy it. If you had sold it earlier today, because you could have sold it earlier today when it was all the way up to over $3, that would have been a good time to sell, don't you think? Buy low, sell high. Yesterday was a selling day. When all the stocks were in the green, I sold. And today, when everything's in the red, it's a buying day. So I'm excited. Today's the day to buy. Buy. When it's in the red, I like to buy. When it's in the green, I like to sell. That's what I need you guys to start to understand. And that's the way I want you guys to think. Because these stocks will not go to the moon and beyond. They're moving on hype. They're moving on momentum. They're moving on optimism. They're moving on news. But there's shorters that are watching. And I've been watching this for a long time. And usually the number is about 7 to 8 days. If a stock goes up for 7 or 8 days in a row, you can almost expect the shorters are going to crush it. And that's kind of what I've seen as a trend. You see 2-day runs, 3-day runs, 4-day runs, 5-day runs, 6-day runs, 7-day runs, 8-day runs. You know the shorters are going to short it. Because they exist. And isn't it funny, while I've been talking to you guys, I called it. I said I wouldn't buy this stock and it's going down. And isn't it funny that I told you that CNBX was going up and it was going up? Why do you think I know, people? How do you think I know this? Am I psychic? It continues to go down. Am I psychic? I understand momentum. Momentum is a very big thing in the markets, okay? And momentum can turn in an instant. A great example, I'll show you guys another deal, which was the short of the century, actually. And I told you guys don't buy it. Once they came out with their crazy news that their number one mine was fake, this stock has continued to go all the way down. Look at NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals. This is a company that was absolutely on fire. They were one of the top stocks in the universe. One of the top stocks on bar chart, top 100 stocks on bar chart for well over a year, NAK was. And then what happens is they came up with some news that said, they didn't come out with news, but some independent news came out saying that their mine would cost them more to mine it than they would be able to pull out of the ground. So what happens? What happens, guys? And what I tell you what happened with the stock? I told you exactly what was going to happen with the stock. So what happened, guys? The shorters saw the meat on the bone. The shorters decided, you know what? This stock no longer is any good. So let's short it with impunity. And look what's happened. And I said it on my show, and I'll go back and I'll show you guys the evidence that I think this will go under $1. Now, is it a bad company? Is it worth under $1? I honestly don't know. But the market makers, they have their own opinion, and they're the ones that are going to decide. The shorters have got a hold of this, and the panickers, the sellers, anybody that bought it before is getting out. Because who knows how low it's going to go. This is dying its death. And the shorters are making a lot of money making sure that that happens. The optimists saw this today. This was in the $1.40 range. Went all the way up to over $1.60. And now it's coming down. The shorters are seeing the meat on the bone. So, if you're really looking to get good at trading stocks, it doesn't need to be difficult, people. You don't need to be staring at your computer screen day and night, stressed out. You need to have a strategy. You need to have a plan. And you need to watch your stocks. You need to watch their news. You need to watch their trends. You need to watch their chart. And you need to buy low and you need to sell high. And if you like a stock, when it's down, that's the time to buy. When it's up, that's the time to sell. You can't get emotional about these stocks, people. You can't think, I love this stock, I can't get rid of this stock. You can always buy it the next day. You can buy it a minute after you sell it. What are your trading fees? $10? If it's going up, you can get in. It goes up 20, 30, 40%. Get out. Take your money and run. Live to fight another day. Short trading exists. And they will punish you. And if you see you're in a deal like this and it goes sour, sometimes you need to know when to jump ship. Take your money and run and move it into another stock that is hot, that has momentum. Let's take a look at what bar chart thinks. First of all, bar chart with Sing is giving Sing a 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. Take a look at Sing, guys. It's absolutely on fire. Medical marijuana stock, penny stock, that's on fire today, right now, as we speak. And I brought it to you guys live this morning. NAK, let's take a look at Northern Dynasty Minerals. Let's see what bar chart thinks. So take a look at this now, guys. So this was 100% buy for the longest time. Now, all of a sudden, bar chart sees that this is dying. So what do? They give it a 48% sell. With the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Long-term, the trend strength is average. The market is approaching oversold territory. Be watchful of a trend reversal. So what they believe is that it could be a good buy soon. But it's very risky. Because we don't even know if their number one mine will ever get mined now. Because there's news coming out that's saying it would cost them more to mine it than they would be able to pull out of the ground. So this is a very dangerous opportunity here. And buyer beware, okay? Now, I'm not saying it's not a good company, and I'm not saying it's not a good buy. I love to buy them when they're down, but I want to see how low it goes. I want to watch this. I'm not interested in buying it right now because it's going down every single day. So just like a stock that's going up every single day, eventually this will hit a bottom and it will shoot up. And it will be a good buy. And I'll be watching it. And we'll be watching it together. Because this was over $3 just a week ago. So now it's at $1.50. So is it worth $1.50? I don't know. Only the market makers that make these markets, the big institutions and hedge funds that run New York and the financial world, determine where these stocks are going to go. Not some promoters, not me, not you, not us little guys. It's the big boys, the elite, the super, super elite, rich, powerful market makers and banks and hedge funds that decide where these stocks are going to go. But based on news, based on software and different tools that we have like bar chart that give us opinions, based on fundamentals, based on learning how to read charts, we can get a pretty good idea and get a pretty good opinion of where the stocks are going to go. Okay, guys? So buyer beware, be very careful if you were to buy one of these companies that have had catastrophic news that have pretty much killed this deal. And I believe it's going to go under $1 personally. And if it does go under $1 and I see it hit a bottom, I might consider buying it at that point because I still believe it's a good company. I just don't know if they're worth $3. And that's what the market is trying to tell us, is that it's not. That's what it is, people. Now let's take a look at CNBX. Is CNBX still 100% buy? Because it was 100% buy. Let's take a look. So as you guys can see right now, CNBX is at $4.11, down 36% today. But right now, bar chart is still saying it's a 96% buy with an average short-term outlook. Long-term, the trend strength is maximum. So they still believe this trend is going to continue. So this might go back up, guys. You never know. Based on bar chart's opinion, they're saying they still have a lot of buying pressure. As you could see, it's going up right now. It's up to 418. It was at 390 when we first started speaking, and it's up substantially since we've been talking. So it might continue to climb up. You just never know. I don't have a crystal ball. I just can tell you right now, when a stock is in this type of a situation, it is extremely volatile and very risky. So this is the hardest time to kind of determine where this stock is going to go. Because there's a war that's happening right now, people. A war between good and evil. The shorters and the longers, the insiders and the shorters, the speculators and day traders and swing traders, and investors and market makers and hedge funds versus the shorters, the hedge funds, the super elite, the super rich that have unlimited money and are saying, hey, there's a lot of meat on that bone. And this has come up thousands of percent from 2 cents all the way to $4.20. Let's take a little bit of more meat off that bone. And they're just hawking it. Just hawks. Just waiting for their prey to get nice and fat and juicy. So when they go and they eat it, they can take a lot of meat off that bone and they can feed their whole families. That's what they're trying to do, people. They want it to go as high as possible. So you got to learn how to play that game. Are you guys learning? I hope you guys are learning. Because anytime you guys call me and I see your accounts, and some of you guys are showing me your accounts and you're asking for my opinion, what do I tell you guys? I tell you guys to sell, right? Okay, guys, there's a reason why I do that. Okay? I hope you guys are understanding. Let's take a look at some more. So I've been talking guys about short trading. I've been talking guys about very pessimistic different things. Now what I want to do is I want to talk to you guys about some stocks that are up right now. Let's take a look at MNTR. Now this is another company that was brought to me by you, the public, and it's up 12% today. It's at $4.11. It's a medical marijuana deal, and I want you guys to put it on your watch list, and I want you guys to put it on your radar because I think this could be a really good company. Let's take a look at what bar chart thinks. MNTR. Take a look at this, people. This is why I like this company, and this is why I love you guys. because all you guys do is bring me winners. Look at this. Look at this chart. From what I call a floor, it started creating momentum, and look at this. This is exploded, guys. This is another CNBX. I want you to put it on your radar immediately. MNTR. It is on fire. Currently up 16%. A 100% buy on bar chart. Top 1% signal strength. This is momentum coming in, people. Big momentum into this company. And let's see how far it has come in the last year. Take a look at this, guys. It's up 254% in the last month. Huge. Up 629% in the last 3 months. And up 1,700% in the last year. Wow, what a winner. I love this deal, guys. Now, it's in highly overbought territory. Be careful of a trend reversal. When you see the chart here is all the way up to this level, you know that this is approaching 52-week highs, okay? So be very careful, like I've been talking to you guys, about the shorters. If you want to get into a stock like this, you need to day trade it, and you need to either day trade it and just look for your 10, 20, 30% return and get out, or hold on to it long term because it's a good long-term company that has a lot of potential, but it's extremely highly overbought. And it's up dramatically just in the last month. So the short traders are just like hawking, waiting for their opportunity to try to get into this stock when it's at the highest possible point so they could take it back down. And what we want to do is we want to wait until those hawks take that meat off the bone and it goes all the way back down. And it's undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed, and that's when we want to pounce. That's when we want to get in. And that's when we want to buy low and sell high. Okay, guys? MNTR, put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. It's one that I absolutely love. I don't love it when it's up. I don't love it when it's in the green. I don't buy it when it's in the green, people. I don't chase stocks. I hope you don't either. If you want to, just make sure you're disciplined and you get in and you get out. Okay? Because I've shown you guys already a couple stocks today that are down, and if you chased it, you're getting hurt. Okay, guys? Let's talk about another stock that I brought to you guys' attention. IBRC. I'll be speaking to the CEO tomorrow, people, and I'll be bringing him live to you guys. So if you guys want to speak to Michael and ask him any questions, he'll be live on Rich TV tomorrow. And this is a stock that we identified from the underworld, and I brought it to you guys first. And it's a big winner, people. It hit 001 last week. I brought it to your attention. Today it's up another 23%. 0016 by 007. 0017 traded 35 million shares, and it's up 23%. Let's take a look at what bar chart thinks. IBRC. iBrands Corporation. What do we see here, everybody, with iBrands Corporation? What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? IBRC. You guys like IBRC? Tell me what you guys think. Because I absolutely love this one, and I'm speaking directly to the CEO, and he's telling me that big things are coming. So, you know, I really want you guys to put this on your watch list. I got to give it the horn. Because this to me looks like a huge winner. Take a look at this, guys. Big news coming out on this company, and I believe it's going to continue. It's an 88% buy on bar chart. Trend strength is maximum. The market is approaching overbought territory. Be watchful of a trend reversal. Guys, it's up huge. Take a look. When it's up this much, you need to be careful that it could come back down. But I want you guys to watch it. I want you guys to put this one on full alert. It's come from the underworld, and it's up dramatically, guys. Take a look at this. It's up 1,500% in the last month. That's right, 1,500% in the last month. So if you bought this stock at 0001 and you sold it today and you bought $100 worth, your $100 would be worth $1,500. If you put $1,000 in, your $1,000 would be worth $15,000. This is what I'm trying to do every day, is identify these undervalued opportunities, and I brought you guys IBRC first. And I want you guys to make sure you put it on full alert and it's on your watch list. And like I told you guys, I'm bringing the CEO on Rich TV Live tomorrow, live, for you guys to get to ask questions and talk to, and it'll be a great opportunity for us to be able to see what's really happening with this company and why they're growing so quickly. You guys can take a look at their news. I love their name, iBrands. I think the name is brilliant. They've been putting some big news out. They are getting into a lot of different industries. So please, take a look at these guys. I believe, there's some rumblings that they're in the medical marijuana space. And, I want you guys to do your research. But they're coming from the underworld. And I wouldn't be surprised if we see these guys at a penny. I'm just saying. Okay. Now, they are in highly overbought territory. They could come back down, so be careful. But I really believe that this could be a big winner, and I'm going to be watching them very, very carefully. Now, like I told you, I don't chase stocks, so I'm not going to buy it when it's up 23% today. I'll wait till it goes down. If it goes up in my face, then it goes up in my face. I really don't care. It's a 0016 stock. It's extremely risky, and I don't like to waste my hard-earned money. However, if you want to take a risk and you're a risk taker, and believe me, risk is my middle name, it might be one that you might want to take a risk on because it has a lot of momentum. And as you can see, it is going up, people. So somebody somewhere thinks this thing is undervalued, underexposed, and underappreciated. Now, I don't know who that is. It might be the market makers. And if it is the market makers, this will fly. And if you take a look at Sing, and we'll pull up Sing right now, I mean, that's where Sing came from. Let's take a look at Sing. That's exactly where Sing came from, guys. As you can see with Sing, 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. Look at this. Coming from the underworld all the way up today, currently at 12 cents, up 40%. Let's take a look at exactly how this thing has done. And this is another company that I'm working on getting on here for you guys to be able to see and speak to and get to know, because it's a company that's undervalued. But like I told you, when these guys start to do really well and the stocks are up 40%, they're getting calls from everybody telling them how great they are and telling them how much money they want to invest in their company. And that's why you see these stocks go up and then you see them come back down, because what happens is these guys need to sell stock to raise money. So in order for people to make money in the markets, they're selling shares. So when the stock is up like this and it's approaching 52-week highs, you know that there's people that are insiders or people involved in the company that are raising money and are selling shares. So you need to be very careful. And if you're up on this stock, I would suggest you get out. Now, you might want to hold if you really believe in this company long term, and I might be wrong, but usually when stocks go up 40%, you usually can expect that they're going to come back down the next day. Now, especially when you see a stock that's up 316% in the last month, from 2 cents all the way up to now, I think they're at 11 cents. And it's up 1,130% in the last 3 months, and up 2,100% in the last year. This was at half a penny, people. So congratulations if you made money on this pick. But remember, buy low, sell high. If you're up 10, 20, 30, 40% or more, take your profits and run. Learn to be disciplined and learn to keep your cash in a safe place so that it's ready for the next pick that's going to run. Let me show you guys some more. All right, guys. Put VPOR on full alert. Put it on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. It's moving, people. In the sub-penny world, traded 132 million shares. 0022, 7.5 million shares on the bid of buying, 6.7 million shares of selling. There's more buying pressure than selling pressure here right now, which tells me that this is going up. Let's take a look at what bar chart thinks. What does bar chart think? Look at this, everybody. Look at this. What do you guys think about VPOR? You guys like it? What do we do when we find winners? VPOR, put it on full alert. It was brought to me by you, the people. The people have spoken. You guys are tired of working your dead-end jobs. You guys are tired of being poor. You guys are tired of living house poor. You guys want to take control of your lives. You want to take control of your destiny. You want to get back your freedom. And you do it by coming to Rich TV Live every single day, going to richtvlive.com and Rich TV Live on YouTube and subscribing and liking those videos so that I can continue to bring you guys big picks every single day, and you can continue to give me great picks every single day that I can find and I can discover with your help, and then I can bring them to you so that you can make money. Take a look at this one, guys, brought to me by you. Who's watching? Who's out there? Who's out there? Okay, guys, this is an 88% buy, all right? With the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction, long-term, the trend strength is maximum. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of this trend. They believe this is going to continue. However, the market is approaching overbought territory. Be watchful of a trend reversal, people. Careful. Tread lightly. It could come back down. But I think this being in the medical marijuana space, I think this could come up and it could get to the penny range and it could be a big winner. So make sure you guys are putting VPOR on your watch list. Make sure you put it on full alert. It's breaking out right now. And that's what we do here, people, on Rich TV Live. This is a platform where the whole world can come and bring these picks to my attention. Send me your picks, guys. Rich TV Live at gmail.com. Send me your picks, guys. And I'll evaluate them. And if I like them, I'll bring them to you live every single day. Thank you for your picks, guys. I love it. Let's take a look and see where this has come from. Wow, it's come from the underworld. Ooh, scary, scary stuff. What happens when we get scared and we're in the underworld? What do you guys think about these underworld picks? They're very, very scary, right? They're dangerous, aren't they? I don't know. It's scary. It's up 2,000%, coming up from 0001 from life support. In the last 3 months, up 425%. In the last month, up 110%. Just walking up slowly, carefully, strategically. I like it, guys. Something's happening here in this one. It's making me have a little spring in my step. What do you guys think? You guys like this pick? I like this pick. Let's take a look at some more, people, because I got lots of picks for you guys. As we speak, while we've been talking, it's up 33%. Look at that. Who's watching right now? Are you guys buying my picks? Buyer beware, be careful. Proceed with caution. It's in highly overbought territory. But remember, momentum. It's the big mo. You can't fight it. Sometimes you can't beat the street. So if this is rolling and you're in, congratulations, because you're winning. All right, guys, I got some more for you guys. Now this, I got to give this one to Angel. He brought me this one, and I like it. And I think I'm the first to talk about this one live. DIGP. Thank you, Angel. You're a true angel. And this one here is going to make us some money. It's a big winner. DIGP. Put it on full alert. Put it on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. This is a big winner, people. Let me show you. DIGP. 100% buy. Top 1% signal strength. I love those two. When I see top 1% signal strength, 100% buy, that's momentum, baby. That's momentum. That's the big Mo saying, we're going in one direction, everybody. Look at us. Pay attention to me. We're winning. All we do is bring you winners. DIGP brought to me by you, the people. You have spoken. You want to be heard. You want to make money. You want to feed your families. You want to change the direction of your life. Well, guess what? Now you can, because you are making me bring better picks to you. And the more great picks you guys bring me, the more winners we all continue to make money with, the more opportunity we all have, the bigger our channel gets, the more money we'll all make, the more freedom we'll all have. So remember, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and make sure you tell all your friends to like and subscribe so that we could turn Rich TV Live into the fastest growing show on television, the fastest growing show on YouTube, so that you can make more money, so that I can make more money, so that we all can have more freedom. I want to go on trips, guys. I want to go to the Dominican Republic. I want to go to Cuba. I want to go to Costa Rica. I want to go to Spain. I want to go to Thailand. If you too want to travel with me and my buddies and my friends, all you got to do is set up a trading account. Learn how to be patient. Learn how to be a sniper. Learn how to be a ninja. And learn how to buy low and sell high and look for these opportunities that are undervalued. DIGP could be the next OWCP. It could be the next CNBX. Because before those two stocks broke out, they're at these prices. So that's what we want to do, folks. We want to identify these opportunities, and please don't waste my time and the people's time with bullshit picks. Give us good picks, real picks, picks that we can all make money with. If it's a pick that's garbage, and I pull up on bar chart, it's 100% sell, the people don't want to see that, people. We want to see 100% buys, top 1% signal strength, so we can make some money. We don't want to see red. Red's no good. Red, stop. We want green. Green is go. Green is winning. Green is money, people. Angel, you are money, my friend. You are money, okay? And this one's money. I like it. This is a big winner. I absolutely love this pick. Thank you for this pick, Angel. I got to give it to you. What do we do when we find winners? Thank you, Angel. All right, guys. Let me show you guys some more because I know you guys want more picks. Take a look at USMJ. Now, I like this pick today, guys. They had some big news, and take a look at this. USMJ breaking out up 20%. Put it on full alert. Make sure it's on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. It's an 80% buy on bar chart with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Long-term, the trend strength is maximum. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of this trend. Put USMJ on full alert. They just came out with their financials. Their financials are good. They are strong. They are making money. A sub-penny medical marijuana deal, guys, at 001. So I think this is a big winner. And all I want to do is bring you winners. So make sure you put USMJ on full alert. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Let's take a look at their history here. They've come up from the underworld. Take a look at this, guys. They're up 200% in the last month. They're up 500% in the last 3 months. And they're up 1,100% in the last year. Wow. They are on fire, guys. I absolutely love this deal. I almost bought it, but my bank here in Canada wouldn't let me buy it. I'd be up 200%. Like, what's up with that? So if you're in America and you get the opportunity to buy these sub-penny stocks and you find one like this, and it's a medical marijuana deal and a real one, and as you guys can see in their news, take a look at that. USMJ reports Q2 2017 earnings with 40% revenue increase and 56% gross margin increase. That's very good news. They're increasing in their revenues. They're growing. They're a medical marijuana company. This company is going to succeed. And they're at 001. This is almost like a can't miss opportunity. Now, would I want to buy them at 001? I'd like to buy them a little lower. I would have liked to buy it at 0004. I don't know if it's going to go to 0004, but if it does go back to 0004, 0005, I would definitely buy it at those prices. Even at these prices, it might be a buy right now. Maybe I'll call up TD and maybe they'll let me buy it now. Who knows? But the reality is, it's a risky stock, so buyer beware. Be careful. It's up a lot in a short period of time, but it's a medical marijuana company, very undervalued at 001, underappreciated and underexposed, and it has the opportunity to go up because it's basically at the bottom. So all it can really do is really go up. It can't go down too much farther because they were already at the bottom. So chances are if this continues to grow and they continue to have revenues and they continue to do really good business, this is a company that you're going to see in the pennies and beyond. So make sure it's on your watch list and make sure it's on full alert. Okay, guys? That's USMJ. You guys like USMJ? I think it's a winner. All we do is bring you winners. Haha. And I got more for you guys. You guys want more? Let's talk some more. CGRW. Another medical marijuana deal, guys. You see the trend here. I love medical marijuana right now. And this is one that I really like. Put CGRW on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Put it on full alert. I love this deal. An 88% buy on bar chart with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Longer term, the trend strength is average. Long-term indicators mostly agree with this trend. So it has kind of built a floor here. As you can see, went down in like the 160 range, was building a floor, and it's just recently shot up. So be careful. We don't like to buy stocks when they're up. But I want you guys to put this on your watch list and put it on your radar. And if you see it go all the way back down, I would say around $1 would be a great price. But even if it gets back down to like the 150 or 160 range right here, I would definitely be thinking about buying this stock because it's a good company in the medical marijuana space and it actually has a really good business and I think it has a lot of potential. Let's take a look at it in more detail. What do you guys think about CGRW? You guys like it? So as you can see, and this is one of the reasons I like this stock, it hasn't totally broken out yet. In the last month, it's up 28%. That's why I say if you see it go back to like the 160 range, I would definitely think about buying it. Now, in the last 3 months, it's up 128%. That's pretty substantial. It's gone from 90 cents all the way up to over $2. And in the last year, it's up 428%. Now, it's not up thousands of percents like you've seen some of these smaller companies. So I believe this one has a lot of potential. As you can see, it's been as high as $3.45. So it's at 210. It's been as high as 345. I feel like, this does have some legs and it has some room to make money. So I want you guys to put this on full alert. Put it on your watch list. It's a company I really like in the medical marijuana space, and it could be a very big winner for you guys. Let me show you guys some more because all I do is bring you guys winners, and I wanted to bring you guys a lot of winners today. NGMC. See? Here we go, guys. Look at this. I'm not, wow. Look at this, guys. NGMC. Put it on full alert. Put it on your watch list. It's breaking out. Up 180%. A sub-penny stock. Make sure it's on full alert. Let's take a look at it. This is crazy, guys. What's happening here? NGMC. Next Generation Management Corp. Up. As you can see, it was crazy. It was just up 180%. Now it's up 74%. So make sure you guys are putting NGMC on your watch list. Make sure it's on full alert. Now there's a huge spread here, which I don't like. Okay? So people are buying it at 0027 and they're selling it at 0043. I like a spread that's tight. You don't want to put in a market order here. Because if you put in a market order, you're automatically buying it at 4.3. You want to bid for this stock if you're going to buy it at 0027. And if you buy it at 0027, you might get in at a pretty good price because this thing is moving, this puppy. And let me show you what's happening on bar chart. Let's take a look. We have a winner here, people. A big winner. It's up 88% buy on bar chart. Top 1% signal strength, guys. There's a ton of momentum in this one right now. So keep it on your watch list. Make sure it's on full alert. As you guys can see here, it was in the underworld. Created a floor here at 002. And today it exploded as high as 006. So there's something going on here, people. You want to watch this. You want to put it on full alert. As you can see, in the last month, it's up 223%. In the last 3 months, it's up 366%. In the last year, up 740%. It's absolutely on fire. NGMC on fire, people. So make sure you guys got this on your watch list. Make sure you're on full alert. And make sure you continue to watch it. I'll be continuously watching it. And this is another one of those stocks that's very risky. It's in the underworld, but it's starting to break out. And that's what we like to do here. We like to find these opportunities first so we can find the next CNBX or OWCP before they break out. We can all get in, make a bunch of money, and take our money out and run. That's the plan, people. You guys want some more picks? What do you think? We're at 58 minutes. You guys want more? I got more if you want more. Let's take a look at some more. Just for you guys, because you guys are so great. Let's take a look at ADHC, a company that I've been bringing to you guys a lot. What are they doing today? Look at this, people. All I do is bring you winners. A deal brought to me, brought to you by you, the public. This thing is on fire, guys. ADHC up 73% today. In the sub-penny world, traded 27 million shares. This thing is on fire. And fuego. Here we go. Let's take a look at ADHC. What does bar chart think about it today? An absolute winner. Look at this, people. 96% buy on bar chart. Top 1% signal strength, everybody. That's a big winner for me. This is huge. This thing's going to be touching a penny soon. It's absolutely on fire. Let's take a look at its performance. It's all just been recent. Look at this, guys. It's up 1,200% in the last month. Up 1,900% in the last 3 months. And up a staggering 3,900% in the last year. Put ADHC on your watch list. Make sure it's on full alert and make sure it's on your radar. It's a big winner, like I said, brought to me by you, the people. I love you guys. And I'm going to give you guys some more because I ain't done where that came from because I got a lot of winners because all we do is bring you winners. Take a look at this one today, folks. This is just disgusting. KBSF up 35% today. This is one I've been bringing to you guys a lot. It came back down, hit a dead cat bounce, and spiked up today. KBSF, continue to watch it. This is why I want you guys to put these stocks on your watch list, put them on your radar. This has done an amazing move today in the $5 range, went all the way up to over $9, guys. And then what happened? The shorters. They got the meat on the bone, and they took it down. And then they took it down some more. So this was up dramatically higher earlier in the day. It's still up. It's a big winner. Don't get me wrong. It's up 35%. But this is why when you go up and you're lucky enough to make 50, 60, 70, 80% in a day, take your profits and run, people, because once the shorters get a hold of it, you're going to end up losing your money or you're going to end up losing your profits. So learn how to be thankful when you're at these levels and learn how to sell so that you can take your profits and run and learn how to profit like a pro. Okay, guys? Buy low, sell high. Buy here, sell here. Buy here, sell here. Buy here, sell here. Okay, guys? Learn. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Learn to take your profits and run, and learn to be disciplined. There's a reason why I'm relaxed. I don't sit there and stare at my stocks 24/7 and stress out every single day. I don't have to because I have a plan. I have a strategy, and I follow it to a T. And if you follow it to a T, you too will be successful. If you buy just on the fact that stocks are running, then you can get crushed and you can lose a lot of money. Okay, guys? So put KBSF on full alert. It's one that we've been watching and had a very big day today. Let's take a look at some more because I know you guys want more. Take a look at the shorters, guys. NAK in the red today. CNBX in the red, but as you can see, they're starting to go back up, guys. All the way back up to $4.65. This was at $3.90 when we started talking an hour ago. Now it's back up to $4.66. So the optimists, the buyers, the people that are, that are positive people, they believe that this has legs and that this will continue to go up. So they're buying it thinking that it's going to go back up to $7-8. And it might. But it's very, very, very risky right now. There's a major war that's happening and you have to be very careful. It's very volatile. It's going up very quickly and down very quickly, and you can get very badly hurt. So be careful there. Okay, guys? Let's take a look at OWCP real quick and just do an update on that one. All right, so OWCP is at $1.83 right now. So it's kind of finding its floor around these levels, as you can see. Found its floor around like $1.50 range, $1.49. Then it came all the way back up to like around $2. Now it's coming back down. So 180 might be even the floor here on this one, but until you actually see it get generated for a day or two, you don't really know what the floor is. So this is what I put in the very risky territory. This is a stock. You don't really know where it's going to go. So be careful with these types of opportunities, guys. There's better opportunities out there that have more momentum, that are not getting heavily shorted, and this is becoming a war zone, so you have to be very careful when buying these types of securities. And if you're up and you got in at 50 cents and it's at $1.80 right now, you might want to sell because you're up. So try not to be greedy, learn to take your profits and run, learn to live to fight another day because there's lots of opportunities out there. Okay, let me show you guys some more because there's a lot of stocks that are hot today. All right, let's take a look at KG. Boom! Take a look at KG, Kona Gold Solutions Inc. Up 52%, sub-penny stock, just over half a penny. Traded 14 million shares today. I want you guys to put this one on full alert. It's a big winner, and you're probably up big on this today if you bought it. Up 52%. I'm bringing it to you guys first here on Rich TV Live because that's what I do. I do the research so you don't have to, guys. Let's take a look at KG. So KG is a 40% buy on bar chart with a strengthening short-term outlook. Trend strength is weak. So as you can see, this is something that has been kind of treading under the penny world. Then it shot up, even went over a penny. Recently just came back down, and now it's shooting back up again. So there's definitely something happening here. You definitely want to put it on full alert. And you definitely want to put it on your watch list. Let's take a look at it in full detail here. Now, in the last month, it's up 184%. In the last 3 months, it's up 335%. And in the last year, it's up 335%. So most of the movement has happened here in the last 3 months. You definitely want to put this on full alert. You definitely want to put it on your watch list. As you can see, it's been as high as 3 cents. So it's near the 52-week low area. It still has a lot of legs, has a lot of room to go. So I want you guys to put this on your watch list and put on full alert. Could be a big winner. And I want to make sure that all I do is bring you winners every single day. A pick that I haven't seen anybody else talk about, but a pick that you're going to find here on Rich TV Live first, because that's what we do. You want more? I got more. If you want more, I got more. Just say so. KG. You want more? Because I got more. Just say the word. I got 2 more for you guys. Here we go. Put PTCO on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Put it on full alert. Up 35% today. 25-cent company. PTCO. Could be a winner, people. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. I like it. And let's take a look at one more for you guys before we call it a day. New Wave Holdings. A big winner, people. Up 35% at 2 cents. Traded 50 million shares. This was one brought to me by OG Chronics. Thank you, OG. You are a scholar, my friend. Calling this one when it was in the sub-pennies, and now it's already at 2 cents. It's a big winner. You need to put it on full alert, put it on your watch list, and put it on your radar. Let's take a look at what Bar Chart thinks. "100% buy on Bar Chart. Top 1% signal strength. Look at this beauty. Wow, people. A big winner, NWAV. And I think it's got more legs, guys. Get on this train before it's too late. This could be a huge winner for you. Let's take a look at its last 3 months. Wow, guys. This is crazy. Up 1,400% in the last month. Woo! Up 3,700% in the last 3 months, and up 8,800% in the last year. Wow! This is a huge winner. I love this play. Thank you, OG Chronics, for this pick. It's a big winner, and I absolutely love this pick. Love it. Bar Chart loves it. If you were to put $100 in this stock in a year, that money would be worth $8,800. If you were to put $1,000 in this stock in a year, that stock would be worth $88,000. That's some pretty substantial gains for you guys. And I hope you guys have enjoyed today's show. And I hope you guys continue to bring me winners, because I love the winners. I love winning. And I hope you guys love winning too. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Tell all your friends and family. We got the fastest growing show on YouTube. Let's continue to grow every single day. We've crushed the 300 subscriber mark. Now I'm looking for 1,000. Let's hit that 1,000 mark, guys. Let's continue to bring winners every single day. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. So happy with what's happening. Without you guys, none of this would even be possible, to be quite frank. And we're growing so quickly, and I'm so proud to be a part of this. And I love what's happening. And like I said, I'm going to continue to work hard to bring you guys winners every single day. Okay, guys? I love you guys. Thank you once again. And remember, all I do is bring you winners. Peace. NWAV to the moon and beyond.